In the 1990s, Utility continued to expand as a full-line manufacturer, building a regional manufacturing plant in Paragould, Arkansas, dedicated to producing dry freight vans. Apart from Operation Desert Storm and a brief recession in the early 1990s, many Americans enjoyed peace and prosperity during the last decade of the 20th century. Inflation and unemployment remained low, the stock market continued to soar, and a rapidly expanding economy delivered the longest boom in U.S. history. The Internet ushered in the information age, changing the way the world communicated and setting the stage for a truly global economy. With the establishment of the North American Free Trade Agreement and the World Trade Organization, there would be an opening up of more North American trade apportioning. Technological advancements reached new heights, from a telescope's images of a universe we had never seen to a Pathfinder landing on Mars to a cloned sheep named Dolly. Consumers embraced new technology, trading VHS tapes for DVDs, cassettes for CDs, landlines for cell phones, and film for digital photos. Utility kept pace with a rapidly changing marketplace, introducing the 2000D dry freight van and CenterSeal, a new line of multi-temp refrigerated trailers. By the end of the decade, Utility would once again set a new industry standard with the revolutionary 3000R refrigerated trailer. In 1998, Utility's 5 factories produced 26,862 trailers, placing the company in the top 3 producers of truck trailers for the first time. In order to accommodate what was to come in the new millennium, Utility expanded both its Utah and Marion plants, doubling their capacity.